Pete.
Hi, foodies. This is Chef Pete, and you know what? This is the Ninja Creami Deluxe, and today I'm going to make, and I have all the raw ingredients in front of me here, and I have our deluxe pint container that comes with the Ninja, and I'm gonna, after I put all of these raw ingredients together, because I'm going to make vanilla, and then I'm gonna pour them in here, put the lid on, put it in the refrigerator, and freeze it for 24 hours, okay? And this is the Ninja Creami machine right here, okay? And then after we freeze it, we're going to bring it out, and then we're going to process the ice cream. And I'm making today, I have vanilla extract, and I'm going to make vanilla ice cream, okay? All right, so the very first thing we have to do is we have to get our mixing bowl out, and we need to get our flavoring. This can be vanilla extract, it could be mint, almond, it could be cocoa powder if you want to make chocolate. I'm going to put in our beautiful vanilla extract, and then what I'm going to do is put in, this recipe calls for about roughly 1 and 1.5 tablespoons of cream cheese, okay? And then you just put it in your microwave for about 10 seconds. And then what we're going to do is take and mix these 3 items together like this, just like this, okay? So what we're gonna get is somewhat the consistency with our sugar and our cheese and everything here.
Oh, like a big ball.
Kind of like a frosting. You see how it's kind of like that here?
Yeah.
So we're gonna get this all mixed up.
Oh, that looks good. If I could smell it.
And then what we're going to do, now that we've got this sugar and our flavoring and we've got our cream cheese in here, I'm going to add in our milk, and then I'm going to add in our cream. Now I'm using Silk whipping cream. You can use regular whipping cream if you like, whatever you guys like. I'm using Silk today, okay? And then milk, about 1.5 cups of milk, and 1 cup of your whipping cream. And that's really all there is to this. We're gonna get this all mixed together, just like this, and then I'm gonna make sure I get all of it out of here, all of this cream goodness and everything right into here. Okay, there we go. And we've got that. And then we're gonna get this mixed up here so everything gets dissolved really well in here. Okay, sugar, 1/2 cup to 1 cup of sugar depending on your taste. If you're going to use real sugar, you can use stevia if you like, and you'll have to do a taste test with stevia. I'm using regular sugar today. Okay, so we've got this.
Did it already ask for the salt or no?
So we've got it going good. I'm not going to put any salt in here. I'm going by the recipe that comes with the Ninja today. And then we're going to see if we need some salt. So what I'm going to do here, before I pour this into our container and go in the freezer, I'm going to taste this to see if it does need some salt. Real easy, just like this. Absolutely not. Absolutely perfect. Okay, now, what we're gonna do, doesn't need any salt at all, is we're going to take this mixture and put him just pour him right in the container, just like this. And then we're gonna put him in the freezer and freeze him for 24 hours, okay? All right, so we're gonna freeze them for 24 hours. You just put your lid right on here like this. There it is, and into the freezer it goes. So that is the basic, okay? That is the basic to get a vanilla flavor. If you want, you could put peppermint in, mint, almond, some sort of fruit extract, or cocoa powder, okay? All right, so there we have it. We'll come back into our next video and show you how to process the frozen ice cream. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizos wishing you the best. If you haven't got a Ninja Creami yet, get one. It comes with a little book too. Okay, so this is Pete out.